Hi, you have seen me discuss the Draft Model Rent Act 2019. We did not discuss the details therein. Please tell me what you feel about it and what you feel needs to be done. I shall go through your suggestions and make necessary changes to my posts. But please remember to subscribe to the channel and give your views so that I can read them and go further. So now let us come to the details in the Model Act. It is not just that the tenancies which come up or which are there when the model has come up to be registered within 2 months. Once the model comes in, the old Rent Act goes and all protection that is available under the old Rent Act will no longer be available to the tenants. The protection under the new model would be restricted only to the period of agreement and not beyond it. Once the agreement is over, if a new agreement is not made, then for the first 6 months, the rent to be paid under the old agreement shall be continued. After 6 months, even that arrangement goes, and after 6 months, you can be evicted by the rent tribunal, the rent court, or the rent authority, as the case may be. All these authorities will be in place under the Model Act, which the state is likely to enact, because the money coming to state under the Rozgar Hami Yojana or the Employment Guarantee Scheme will be tied up to reforms, and one of the reforms is to bring in the Model Rent Act. Eviction of the tenant will therefore be made very easy. The court, whether the tribunal, the court, or the authority, if it feels convinced that the tenant has not paid his legitimate dues or he needs to pay, the court can go and freeze the tenant's accounts or take over his other properties to ensure that the landlord gets the payment. It is not just that, but if during the period of the agreement, the landlord feels, hey, I have given you at a cheaper price, but I want to increase the rent. He just gives a notice that I want to increase the rent due to these reasons, and he can then increase the rent or go to the rent authority and ask for an increase in rent, and the rent authority shall grant him that. Repairs of the structure for the first time is going to be put entirely on the tenant. So if the landlord hands over a premises to a tenant, the tenant shall be responsible for repairing it, for maintaining it, and if he doesn't, then the rent authority can impose penalties and fines on the tenant for not repairing or maintaining the building or the structure which has been rented out to him. Also, a compensation shall be paid to the landlord for not doing repairs on time, and similar clauses are there in the new Model Rent Act. Again, may I reiterate what I said in the earlier thing? These are the points from the Draft Model Tenancy Act 2019. These points are not binding on any state government. The state government of Maharashtra, time and again, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, and recently, has assured the tenants of Mumbai and Maharashtra that it may ignore the Model Rent Act and not implement it in the state of Maharashtra, which means the existing Rent Act remains and continues, and the protection to the tenant continues. Having said this, the protection that is given under the Rent Act continues only till the Rent Act is there. If for any reason the Model Rent Act and the clauses thereof come into being, then I must say that all tenants in the state of Maharashtra are in deep trouble. So it is high time that all tenants come together, show their strength, and stand together as one unit, as they did when there was a movement, there was agitation on behalf of the tenants, and the state government had to relent. In the next post, we shall discuss the tenants' movement, how it became strong in Mumbai and why it is not taking off. Till then, let me bid au revoir to all my tenant friends and all friends looking at this video. I shall post again. Please remember to subscribe to the channel on YouTube and to give your opinion so that we make this post more and more interesting. Bye for now. This is Chandrasekhar Prabhu signing off. Bye.